South 3488, wind 22013, runway 28 left for the wind.
Land 28 left, Southwest 3488.
And South 3488, you can expect a back taxi, or 180 back taxi on the runway.
3488, thanks.
Ground Southwest 5648 is on Bravo, short Bravo 1 for gate 32.
So 5648, continue via Bravo Whiskey, correction, Bravo Tango to the ramp.
Tango, Southwest 5648.
Radio taxi, yes, al 4323.
Just 4323, verify you have ATIS Oscar and standby.
Standing by.
So 4323, just wanted to verify what direction you're headed. Runway 28 left, taxi via Sierra Bravo.
Sierra Bravo, we got Oscar, yes, al 4323.
And ground for Southwest 5648. Are we cleared into the gate, or are we short of uniform on Tango?
5648, cleared into the ramp via Tango.
Into the ramp via Tango, thank you, Southwest 5648.
Southwest 3488, make 180 on the runway when able. Back taxi, runway 28 left. Exit at Bravo, holding short Bravo 1, contact ground point 75.
Alright, we were 180 on the runway now, and back taxi to Bravo, on Bravo, hold short of Bravo 1, and then over to ground, Southwest 3488.
Southwest 5616 is joining the RNAV Yankee for 28 left.
Southwest 5616, Open Tower, roger, runway 28 left, continue company, back taxi runway.
Continue, Southwest 5616.
Southwest 5616, wind 22012, runway 28 left for the wind.
28 left, try land, Southwest 5616.
Ground Southwest. Ground Southwest 3488, we're on Bravo, coming up on Bravo 1.
Southwest, are you able to make a turn on the runway?
Stand by.
Southwest 3488 is still on frequency. South 5616, runway 28 left, go around. Aircraft is not past the bars. At the departure end, turn right, heading 315, climb maintain 3000.
Somebody on short final coming into 28 left.
Yeah, we're sending them around, sir. That aircraft ahead missed the hold short of Bravo 1.
Ground, yes, 4323.
Just on 4323, yeah, I think you, I can't remember if you were told to hold short of Bravo 1, but is there any way you can turn around on the taxiway there?
Negative, yes, 4323, and we were instructed to taxi Sierra and Bravo to hold short runway 28 left.
Southwest 3488, and you're not able to maneuver either?
Yeah, man, it's too tight here for us to try to get a 180.
So 3488, roger, standby, we'll coordinate with the port.
Okay.
And port ops, anybody on frequency?
Ground, yes, 4323.
Just on 4323, ground.
You estimate to clear that aircraft or clear us or whatever the is coming.
Just on 4323, working on a tug right now. We should have them out here shortly. Southwest 3488, verify you are clear of runway 28 left.
Yes, we're clear at 28 left. We can back and forward a little bit more.
So 3488, as long as you're clear, that should be fine. We're working with the port to get company tug out there, and we'll get you cleared. Sorry about that, sir.
Okay.
Just off 4323, we're working with the port to get a tug out there. You can, you need to shut down. Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. I need to know how long we estimate for that.
So the 4323, I don't have an estimate, although we're expecting assistance here shortly. If you want to shut down there, we can do that, and then I would imagine push Southwest back so that you can access the runway, and then we can get everybody moving.
Copy that.
Tower Southwest 2527, RNAV Yankee 28 left.
2527, Oakland Tower, wind 230 at 12, runway 28 left, clear to land.
3 left, clear to land. Southwest 2527.
Hey, ground, Southwest 3488.
The 3480 ground.
Yeah, just to verify, is the plan to push us back or him back to Bravo 1 or us back to on the other side of the runway?
Stand by.
Okay.
Southwest 2527, just be advised, there is a 737 company aircraft. They're just beyond the hold bars off the left of the approach in, but they are clear of the runway.